Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a wig review of Aspen by Estetica in the color RH12/26RT4. I'm going to do a color spotlight of this color, so stay tuned to that video if you want to learn more about the color. This is going to be mainly about Aspen. Now, one of the first things somebody asked us in the help desk was, how is this wig different from Ocean? Well, Ocean's longer. That's a key difference. I also think that the wave pattern here is a little tighter and a little bit more shattered, especially at the bottoms. Whereas on Ocean, it's more that boho wave. It's a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more rounded. You know, it has these lovely round waves at the bottom. This is not like that. These are all completely shattered. So, like, that's a huge difference between the two. They just have a different kind of texture to them, and this one is shorter. The curl pattern itself actually helps quite a bit here, because of the curl patterns available for this style of wig right now, this is one of the more relaxed ones. It's very open, very, very loose, very lazy. And because of that, it also doesn't have a lot of poof to it. So hopefully that helps kind of seal that up a little bit. But yeah, I think this is darling. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Aspen looks like on all sides. Yeah, this is a cute wig. Don't you think this is cute? I think this is really cute. This wig season is gonna drive me to the poorhouse, I swear, because I literally keep almost all of these. They're ridiculously cute. Like, I love this sort of sloppy, laid back, looks like you just got out of bed, but everyone knows that it takes a lot of work to make hair look like this kind of looks. I dig it. So let me go ahead and take this off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Aspen by Estetica has a pre-cut transparent lace front and a monofilament side part that's on the left. It also has an open top here. There is permatease in this wig, and there's a little bump of permatease in the back. Gives it a little bit of volume and a little bit of texture back here. There's a little bit of felt that lines this U-shaped seam here, open on the sides, and in the back has an extended nape with a hook enclosure and cloth closed ear tabs. Welcome back. Now, before we end this video, let me give you some specs about Aspen. Aspen has a 10.5 inch front, so she's quite long here in the front. Lowest layer is about here. The sides are 10.5, the crown down is 12.5, and the nape is 9.5 inches, so she's definitely mid-length. The weight on here is about 4.5 ounces-ish. Very pretty, very nice lace front on this sample piece, and very good monofilament features here. I have a fishnet wig cap on, so if I press down you can actually see the grid. But I've got a lot of hair now that I'm trying to keep under here. It's not thick, but it's there. So anyway, this is a great wig. I think it's super cute. I don't know, between this and Hunter, I'm still kind of inclined to go towards the Hunter just because I think that one's really, really interesting. But this one's really pretty too. And this has been the Aspen, which is RH12/26RT4. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We really appreciate that. And we hope to bring you many more in the future. Have a great night. Bye.